journey of repair, responsible consumption, and production.
Alex's parents are wealthy, and they always allow him to buy whatever he wants.
Oh no, Dad, my switch is broken.
Don't worry, I'll buy a new one.
Thank you. Oh no, Mom, my school bag is broken.
It's okay, I'll buy a new one. Just put the working one in the storeroom.
Okay.
Alex takes the school bag to the storeroom, which is filled with useful items.
One day, Alex walked out of the room, holding his beloved broken toy, crying loudly.
Mom, my favorite toy is broken. What should I do?
Let's check online for a replacement.
Oh no, this item is off sale. Want a new toy?
No, I want this one fixed.
Let's check a shop tomorrow for repairs.
The next day, Alex and his mother search for a repair shop, but they're all closed due to poor business.
Can I find any way to fix my toy?
Let's ask the toy store if they can repair it.
How can I help you?
Can you fix my toy?
Sorry, we only sell new toys. Would you like to see our new collection?
No, they are not the same.
Sorry, not many people are into repairs. But you know, other industries, even toys are going green these days. I'll suggest toy companies make repairable toys.
Thanks, I hope they listen.
Alex left the toy store disappointed. Passing by a street magician's performance, he gathers courage and asks,
Great magician, can you use magic to fix my toy?
The magician's replies,
My magic is for entertainment, not repairs. Perhaps you can create your own magic and surprises.
Let me think.
Alex returns home, feeling low. He trips over clutter, recalling the magician's words.
Maybe I can fix a toy myself.
He cleans up, searches online, and works hard to repair the toy. After continuous effort, he fixes it.
I did it! My beloved toy looks good as new.
You are so talented.
Should I throw away the leftover parts?
Wait, I have a better idea.
Alex feels a sense of accomplishment after repairing the toy. He invites his parents to clean the storeroom together.
We enjoy fixing things and finding new use for them.
We even opened a coffee shop.
Combining the sale of seven goods
And offers repair service.
Make simple changes in consumption habits. Do your own magic and make the world a better place.
Thanks for watching.